How to set messages, notifications, banner style to temporary or persistent on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Apps. Next, we scroll down and tap on Messages. In here, tap on Notifications. Then make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. And then we scroll down and tap on Banners. Make sure Banners is also turned on. After that, tap on Banner Style. From here, you can choose Temporary or Persistent. So if you select Temporary, once you receive a message notifications, it will pop up on the screen for a few seconds and then it goes away. Whereas if you select Persistent, the message pop-up will show on the screen and it won't go away until you tap on it or until you take action. And that's it. So select one of the available options and then you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.